engaging and discussing with us in detail.
The Hamara Sankalp Vikasit Bharat program was held today at the Nongspung playground in the presence of government officials from various departments and beneficiaries. A live video interaction with Prime Minister Narendra Modi was also showcased. An awareness program was conducted by officials from various departments, highlighting various central government schemes. A pledge ceremony was also held with all attendees participating. Speaking with media, the scheme beneficiaries told that they have received several schemes from the central government like PMAYG, PM Kisan, PMUY, MG Narega, JJM and other health benefit schemes that was given by the government and expressed their gratitude to the government.
Nagaliang jongai ngasngaw ba kayo jing mentoy sibut namar ba ji don ruk pai ba ki pambatip reh ba leng ba ni ka program bang yo ban penong menta kesni deng layo jing tip ban ngin sa yo ru ban lej buat ne ban lej ni ban ngin yo ik ta jing mentoy
namar kan ke program kum ki jing lam snong Kalau ke bab mentoy, ke bab sesok, nama bagi pajak, ladang idon pun kini program, ikan mau berfoto ya ke bab sorkar kelalek.